myself how to use an angle grinder. Always wanted one, never had a reason to get one. Have no idea what I'm doing. So I picked up this little angle grinder at Lowe's. So I'm gonna open it up and see how it goes. Manual. Grinder itself. Hey buddy. Came with a grinder. That's nice. So I bought a cutoff wheel. Looks like it came with a tool. I'm guessing this is for swapping out the blades. So let's take a look at the instructions.
Look at these right there.
Yeah. Alright.
What are the blades?
This is a blade right here. This looks like some sort of grinder. I also bought a cutoff wheel.
Oh.
Because I'm going to do some cutting. Does that sound good? What do you think, buddy?
Good.
Yeah? Think we'll do good?
Yeah.
All right.
It's gonna be cool.
Yeah, it's going to be very cool.
I love 3D RC car because it's the fastest. Okay.
Does this do this? What does this do?
Huh? Oh. So that's it.
Alright. I've never used one of these before, so I got to figure out how they take the attachments on and off. It's got a guard on there, which is nice. We'll start with that. Seems smart to keep that on there for now. Oh, maybe this button. Maybe you hold down the button. Yep. You hold down the button.
Oh, so you take it off.
Put on the blade. Then put this guy back on.
This is gonna look good.
It's gonna look really good.
Whenever.
And tighten it.
I really wanted a small car.
I think it's ready to go. This one has a nice trigger. I basically went to the store, got a cheap one. Didn't want to spend a lot of money on my first one. Wanted to see if I found them useful. This was 39 bucks at Lowe's. I liked how it felt in my hand with the trigger. Trigger felt really nice right here. So that was my main reason for going with this one. 39 bucks. I liked how it felt. I'm not sure what that button does. It's a lock, maybe. Yeah. We can go later.
What?
All right.
Just for a little bit.
So that's it. Realized I'm going to put this handle on. See how that feels to start with. I'm going to put it on the left side. That feels natural.
I'm gonna feel it.
There. See, feel it? Can you hold it? It's not plugged in, so we're good.
Okay.
Okay. So it's going to be sort of like this.
Yeah.
Now, I'm not sure which way it spins. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, pull the trigger, so I can figure out which way it even spins. So it looks like there's a safety button here. Okay. Spins that way. Hey, hold up, guys. Don't get too close.
You're too close. Which way is it spinning?
Oh.
To the right?
Oh, look, there's even an arrow right there. Maybe that's what it was trying to tell me. That is the direction of spin. I really like this feature because you can't accidentally pull the trigger or bump it or squeeze it. You have to push this black button down. Then, now I got to figure out if I want to do a straight cut through some metal. If I want to go this way, or what's the deal?
What?
I'm going to swap this out for a... Okay, so I got a cutoff wheel. I think this is for cutting steel. No. Okay, watch out, dude. That isn't right. Unplug. Maybe this has to go this way? Oh, that's what's going on. There we go. Okay, so, oh, I see, maybe because there's different kinds of blades. This one that comes like this, and then a flat blade. Okay.
Just to stay safe. Why?
I got my welding mask on. I'm gonna teach myself to weld in another video. Now that's on good now. I was looking for some scrap steel to practice welding with, so I found this old bed frame. It's steel. Here's my helpers. Say hey guys.
Hey. Hey.
I'm gonna try to just cut this off right here. Yeah, it's working. I just don't know if I'm supposed to be doing it that way. Got it.
But don't touch it, it's hot, right?
It's not really hot. All right. Okay, so that was my first ever cut with an angle grinder. Pretty exciting stuff. I probably wasn't doing anything of the safety rules that I was supposed to. I probably should have worn eye protection, maybe some gloves. But overall, I felt like I was pretty under control. I wasn't letting it get out of hand. It wasn't jumping around on me, and I went nice and slow. So overall, that was pretty nice. I did a cut. I think it turned out pretty ugly, but it is cut.
Can you make this tight?
You want to wear the welding helmet?
Well, it's not tight enough. Okay. No, I won't tight. Good?
Then you can lift it up.
Should I see, Daddy?
Yeah. There you go. I gotta get the hang of that, so that's not awkward every time. Okay, yeah, so it goes different directions for this kind of a wheel. Gotta push this button at the same time. Okay, so this is a grinder. Never used one of these. I just used the cutter. Let's see how the grinder works. Yeah, worked great. I think I'm getting the hang of it. Shifted the handle to the right side using the left side. Anyway, I think with more experience and more practice, I'll get this figured out. Glad to have one more tool in my toolbox so I can cut and grind metal. So again, that's the Porter Cable model PC750AG angle grinder. It was $39. I think I really like it. It feels solid. Everything feels nice and sturdy about it. I mentioned this trigger feels great. The handle is 90 degrees either side or on top. Ooh, I should have tried that. It's a 4.5 inch small angle grinder, 7.5 amps, and it felt like it had a lot of power. So, but again, I've never tried other angle grinders, but I don't see how this is not going to serve my purpose. I don't see any reason to spend $100 for me right now. All right. What do you say?
Nice.
Yeah, nice. All right, until next time. Thanks, hit that subscribe button.